Okay, I want to give you a quick tip on the right way and the wrong way to pull a cord out from the outlet. The wrong way is pulling by the wire itself. Okay, the right way is grabbing here, and the reason is if you keep pulling here, you can break the integrity of the wire inside, but you won't be able to see it because the rubber coating outside will still be intact. And every time you pull, you weaken the metal braided wires inside. Also, the same thing for connectors for phones. All right, don't pull on here. These are even worse because they use really thread thin wire inside here, and if you keep pulling on the wire, it will break. Even one side breaking will make it useless, but the outside covering will still look good. So you grab it here, not here. Same thing with here. You grab this here, not here.